we stand top in terms of many industry verticals. We have IT, we have BT, biotechnology, and we are the leaders in terms of the life sciences and the pharma and the other core manufacturing sector too. Until and unless we do a complete cycle in the supply chain, more meaningful, more rational, more affordable, the industry can't sustain for a long time, especially in terms of the manufacturing sector. In manufacturing sector too, we contribute a lot in terms of export, especially in terms of the pharma and the life sciences too. The latest, machinery inventions of what we see, and also what the technology evolution which is coming up. How does they play a big role in terms of the logistical operations? I'm here in this expo to see what technology solutions will be helpful, especially in terms of the logistics. So, absolutely in supply chain, the circle should be very clear and from start to end. All streams of continuity should be there, and this is the responsibility of the policy making. In the policy making, we are not only stressing our point only to manufacturing or to the production. We have to handhold all these industries to move forward and to reach, the last mile where they can have a connection. This is what we are trying to do it in terms of the logistics and in terms of, capacity building in terms of the warehouses or whatever has been required in this logistical field. We are here to strengthen that sort of infrastructure, and we are through while strengthening that infrastructure, we are also trying to put our all the concentration on the policy making. The robust policy making, the next level thinking of the policy making is on the anvil, and that the state of Telangana is going to unveil that logistic policy, the new next logistic policy very soon. When you see the footfall, either for the domestic passengers in our international airport, or if we see the footfall of many product companies trying to sell their product outside India, outside Hyderabad, and lot many cargo companies which are there, they are trying to put their concentration on Hyderabad too. And here, as a minister for industries right now here, we have pitched in how vibrant our infrastructure is there, and we are just telling them to come and put their offices over there. It will cut down the logistic cost for them to improve on the profitable ratio for the companies. Hopefully all this will work out, and our policy systems, which will be a model policy, and at the same time what we are thinking of is to see that we have to grow structurally in terms of logistics. One is infrastructure creation, and second is facilitation by the policy making. How best and how feasible, how productive and how proactive are our policies is most important for the industry to survive. So that we are trying to contemplate it, and in terms of small vendors too, they need to have some sort of a exit to really do some export business. So logistics becomes a big role, and when logistics become expensive, people who would like to literally make their end product visible in different parts of India or different parts of the globe, it becomes difficult. So I think the intervention of technology in this will make them use these sort of sectors and prove them competitive, and also can see that the medium, small, and micro enterprises through this all logistic network can survive more strongly. That's what it's.